You've filmed it, you've edited it. You've even made a thumbnail, let's be honest, you stared at for 4 hours. But you can't hit post. Your stomach is doing backflips. And suddenly, you've convinced yourself the lighting is actually terrible. And your voice sounds like a squeaky floorboard. Welcome to the most crowded club on the internet. The I want to be a YouTuber, but I'm terrified club. Today we're breaking down exactly why this feels like we're jumping out of a perfectly good plane, and how to stop letting that fear kill your channel before it even starts. Hi, I'm Dan at Being Lifted Media. Stick around to the end for a bonus tip. Let's address the elephant in the room, shall we? The fear of cringe. You're scared your coworkers will find out, some family and friends that are going to find out. But here's the secret. Your first video will be cringy. Pretty much every great YouTuber's was. The fear isn't actually about the video. It's about perceived social status. We're evolutionally wired not to want to look stupid in front of the tribe. But on YouTube, the tribe doesn't care yet. The 3 great myths. People say everyone is a YouTuber now. Sure. And everyone cooks too. But we still go out to new restaurants. The market isn't necessarily looking for another already known super famous YouTuber. It's looking for your specific brand of personality and knowledge. It's looking for you. Look at this. You can still hear me, right? You can still see me, right? Use your phone. If your story's good, nobody cares if they can see your pores in 8K resolution. Perfection is just procrastination in a fancy suit. The hate you're picturing, it's a ghost. Most people are too busy worrying about their own lives to spend 20 minutes to write a manifesto about why your video on how to grow succulents sucked. Here's a technical secret. People will watch a blurry video with great audio, but they will instantly click off a 4K video with crunchy audio. If you can't afford a mic, use your wired headphones. The mic on a pair of Apple AirPods held close to your mouth is often better than a camera mic that's 10 feet away. Record under a blanket or in a closet. Soft surfaces absorb echo. It looks ridiculous, but it sounds like a professional studio. You don't need a $300 softbox. Use a window. Natural light is your best friend. Use a white poster board or a lamp with a t-shirt over it. Careful, because it's very hot. To bounce the light in the shadows on your face. A small desk lamp behind you creates separation from the wall so you don't look like a 2D flat character. Editing is where most beginners quit because it's overwhelming. Use jump cuts. Whenever you stumble, pause, breathe, and start the sentence over. In the edit, just cut out the silence. It creates a snappy, high-energy feel that YouTube audiences actually prefer. Use free software like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Don't touch any of the fancy effects yet. Just cut out the ums and the ahs. How do you actually get over it? You lower the stakes. Record a video and tell yourself you'll delete it. Show it to one person you trust. Post it, then close your laptop and go for a walk. The 1% rule. Don't try to make a masterpiece. Try to make a version 0.1. Your job isn't to be good. Your job is to be finished. If you improve one tiny thing, audio, pacing, a transition in every video, by 50, you're an expert. But you can't get to 50 without that crappy first one. If you fear that your friends are going to be seeing this and you're not comfortable with that, make a secret channel. Don't use your name, use an avatar. Post 5 videos where you don't even show your face. The goal isn't views, it's reps. Once you realize the world didn't end because you uploaded a video, the main channel becomes 90% easier. Treat your first 10 videos as an experiment. If a video gets 0 views, that's not a failure, it's data. It means the packaging, the title, or the thumbnail just didn't click. It's not a reflection of you as a human being, it's just a puzzle to solve for next time. Fun fact, physically, anxiety and excitement feel exactly the same. Your heart races, your palms sweat. The difference is the story that you tell yourself. Instead of saying, I'm nervous, say, I'm pumped and I'm finally ready to share this. Science shows this anxiety reappraisal actually improves your performance on camera. Bonus tip, stop saying, I'm going to start a YouTube channel. Start saying, I am a creator. When you change your identity, your actions follow. Creators create, they don't just try. And to quote a famous Jedi Master, do or do not, there is no try. Think about where you'll be a year from now. If you don't start, you'll be in the exact same spot, still watching other people live the life that you wanted. The fear of staying the same should be much bigger than the fear of a mean commitment. YouTube isn't a performance, it's a conversation, and you've been quiet for too long. If you're waiting for the right time, guess what? This is it. Post the video, be cringy, be real. You have a unique perspective. Even if you're talking about a topic that's been covered a million times before, nobody's ever covered it with your voice, your perspective, your life experience, and your mistakes. Remember, the most successful YouTubers that you see today were once exactly where you are, staring at a record button. The only difference is they pressed it. I want you to go into the comments and type, I am a creator. Declare it. Hit subscribe if you need more behind the scenes truth about this journey. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next one.